Shit tight. Man, it's like a self-interview and shit. Shit crazy. It's my first video, man. What's up, world? What's up, YouTube? This is your boy, JR Hollywood, man. Welcome to my new YouTube channel called Hustle to Invest. We're going to be talking about everything investing in here. I'm talking about stocks, crypto, real estate, and everything credit. I'm talking about credit scores and credit card hacks, man. That's my niche. That's what I want to talk about. I feel like we don't get like a lot of urban people, you know what I mean? A lot of minorities. I'm not trying to stereotype or be, you know, what it is, but we just don't get a lot of people like us investing, man. So I just wanted to touch on that, make, you know, a new YouTube channel where we just emphasize investing for the culture, man. I think that's important. And it's something that, you know, I know a lot of people are taking initiative to do right now. So I just want to contribute my 2 cents. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, I'm got my jury on and stuff like that. It's ain't financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only. But, you know, I still want to give my opinion on, you know, how I was able to become a successful day trader, how I was able to, you know, have a really, really high credit score, almost like 800, and just share, you know, my tips and tricks and how I was able to do my thing. Obviously, like the first thing, like I said, stocks. I got into stocks, I would say, back when I was in high school, but we didn't have Robinhood, Webull, Thinkorswim, where you could go on and make trades and didn't have to pay commission fees. So I feel like it's so much easier now, but I really got my feet wet, started putting money in. I was saying like 2016, that's when I like really dabbled at it. 2020, man, that's when I went full-fledged. When coronavirus hit, man, I dabbed in, went in head first, and it worked out for me. I ended up becoming, you know, successful. Obviously, who didn't make money 2020? But still, it's like, it was a big learning curve that year. You know, I made money, lost money, made money. A lot of emotional swings that you had to deal with, you know, losing $5,000, losing $1,000, losing 500, making the money, you know, those are just, it's such extreme highs and extreme lows, you know, that you really have to be able to stomach that type of volatility when it comes to trading. Me, myself, what I like to do is, you know, scalp trade, day trade, and swing trade. I'm not a long-term investor. That's not my thing, you know. Obviously, you know, some people are into that, but me, myself, I like to get my money, get in, get out, and protect my profits. And so, yeah, you know, I think like nowadays people just need to be more financially aware. Everyone's on their phone, you know, on Instagram and all that stuff. And you could be on your phone making money using it as a side hustle between like crypto and stocks, you know, and now NFTs as well. It's just so easy to make money, man. And people aren't taking advantage of that. I don't know if they don't like watching like Fox News and, you know, CSNBC, you know, because it's boring and they're like, we're financial professionals. It's like, I can't even relate to you. You know, you're kind of goofy looking. But when you get someone like me or other YouTubers, it's like you see us every day out in the street. You see us walking around. You see us in the club. You see us in the strip club. You see us just out and about. It's like, okay, you know, if he's doing it, he's making money, man, I could do it too. I feel like that's just how people are. So yeah, when it comes to stocks, man, that's what I like to do. Myself, I use Thinkorswim, but I got started with Robinhood. But, you know, we're not really messing with Robinhood right now just because of the whole AMC movement. When it comes to crypto, I'm not really a huge crypto head, you know. But I do my research and due diligence when it comes to crypto. You know, I am holding some crypto as well. I got back into that in 2016. I was using Coinbase for that. I also got Crypto.com that I use. Gate.io, you know, I haven't really dabbled in them, but I do have that as well. But that's what I use for my crypto platforms. I'm not like a big crypto head. Stocks is my thing, but I do want to talk about it because I know that is the future. They'll have a lot of good projects that are coming out. You know, I have some VeChain, some Ethereum, got some Shiba Inu, you know, as well. I got a little bit of Bitcoin, so I always say, like, you know, I'm going to be dabbling in that as well. When it comes into real estate, I'm going to be buying, you know, it's going to be my first time purchasing property, so I want to walk you guys through the process of that this year and show you how it is, you know, rent versus own, buying a house versus buying a condo, HOA versus no HOA. I think that would be really cool to bring to you guys and show you guys live in my step-by-step process about how I go purchasing a condo. You know, a lot of people aren't able to do that, and I think that's another big key to wealth if you're able to do that, you know, because I have friends in California who buy houses and they're up, you know, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 boom within a couple years. So, you know, that's just, it's great to be able to grow equity like that. So I think that's important between investing as well. Last but not least, when it comes to credit cards, man, I like credit cards. That's my thing, man. I got like 4 American Express cards. I got a Chase, you know, as well. And, you know, I just like to get the points, man. I like to use the points to be able to, you know, do the airlines, do the hotels. I like the privileges that American Express have, and I feel like if you're responsible and you're able to pay your credit cards off the next day or every single week, you know, you're able to take advantage of a lot of perks and a lot of points. But I mean, if you're not, if you're the type of person that waits the whole month to pay your credit card and you're not really financially responsible, then you need to stay way away from credit cards. They will put you in debt and just ruin your whole credit score and ruin your life, and you're going to end up in LA in a tent, and we don't want that to happen to you. So, you know, I think if you use them responsibly, it's great, man. I've gotten probably already like 500,000 points to American Express, free flights that I take to Miami, hotels through Hilton and stuff like that. When it comes to credit score, I'm just going to show you guys what I did, you know, like payment-wise, credit history-wise, just to be able to get my credit score. It's like a 787, I think, 775 on one. So I got really good credit, you know. I'm almost in the 800 club. And that's just what I want to share with you guys, you know. Me, myself, personally, I was born in Los Angeles. I grew up in Oceanside, California, which is down Dago, San Diego, to be clear, for people who know. And, you know, down there, San Diego, LA's LA. You know, if you know Southern California, you know what it is. It's just like a big melting pot, you know. You got your gang members, you got your skaters, you got, you know, your dirt bike riders out in Temecula. So it's a cool place to grow up, man. But, you know, a lot of people just weren't on investing at that time, you know. People weren't really talking about it. Especially people I was hanging out with. It was more about just grinding and putting a roof over your head. It wasn't about getting money and investing and hoping you make money. So those are my stomping grounds, man. I used to work in the music industry. I used to do audio engineering and mixing. I used to work at Paramount Recording Studios and Larry B Recording Studios in Hollywood. I lived in Hollywood for quite some time. That's my home. I love that place. Right now, I'm currently out in Las Vegas, which is cool. I'm thinking about going to Miami after this. Those are just the type of cities I like. I could live in New York too, but I don't mess with the cold. I don't fucking like the cold weather at all. Like, I'm not doing no New York shit. Like, I go visit in the summer and shit. That's cool. But when it comes to winter, y'all niggas are fucking crazy out there. But that's just me, man. Like I said, it's going to be a cool time. I wanted to make my channel right now in the beginning of the year so we could all grow together. I'm going to be talking about some hot stocks that I like DWAG, AMC, you know, Fubo TV. I like that one as well. DraftKings, you know, and just a bunch of other stocks that I like to day trade, swing trade, and stuff like that are real volatile, but you can make good money in and out. It's going to be a good time, man. I hope you guys all tune in, man, and fuck with your boy. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this, man. You guys take care, and God bless you.